Hey guys, welcome to our new video. Today we got a 2007 Dodge Caravan and we are changing the rear brake pad on that. So let's start it. First of all, just take off the tire. Once you take off the tire, you have to remove that pin. You can use screwdriver to take it out, right? And we have a two bolt over there. Just give me a second, let me show you. Hold on. So you can see there are no pad left on this car, right? So first of all, you have to take this one off, that pin, and then there are two bolts here and here. These are, you can use 7mm hex or you can use T45 to open this up. So first of all, let's remove this one. You can use a T45 hex to open this up, or you can use 7mm hex. So these are two. So sometimes you have to push it a little bit hard. They are stuck there. So once you remove these 245 screw from here, you can lose your brake pad by putting screwdriver between them, and then you can put your that thing out. It's pretty rusty, so it's why they are stuck. So you have to struggle a little bit to pull it out. You have to put your piston back, so you can use your brake pad like this to push it back, and we can use that clamp. You can so you can put it like this. And start tightening it, and you will see the piston start going back. You have to push it all the way back so that you can put new brake pad easily. So once it's all the way back, you can just pick that out like this and just put it over so that you don't have to put pressure on that wire. So before putting brake pad back, you have to grease it a little bit from here to here, and yeah, that's it. And then you can grab this one, and that should go into this. So yeah, like this. Yeah, it's pretty firm now. And for the second pad, I'm gonna put this one, put some grease. Here, and you can put a little bit here too, because your pad gonna slide here. And if you want, you can put a little bit grease on your piston too. It's up to you guys. If you wanna put it, it's up to you. just to make it a little bit smoother and softer. So put this up. You can use screwdriver so that that's how you can put your pad, and then you can use that thing to put everything back. Close kariye. So once you're putting it down, you can use hammer to fit it properly from top. These pins should be here and that pin should be here. So make sure it's pretty tight and easily movable. You can see it sliding. So after that we're gonna tight this T45 screw. So once you are done with tightening, you can torque this bolt to the specs, that is 44 lbs per foot-pound torque. So we already torqued them properly. So that's how you can change your brake pad, and same thing you have to follow for the other tires. So if you like our video, please subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching guys.